Now, in your template, you might have a lot of data that you want to delete, right? And we're not talking only of hiding information, of hiding components, as we have been covering on a previous lesson. It's not about hiding components, but it's about deleting data. It's about deleting rows because they don't match, but those rows don't are yours, right? They're in the template. So the only way to do that is in your spreadsheet. There's no way right now to do that from Glide. So you open up your spreadsheet, go to the right tab where you want to delete that information, and then you, in your Mac, you will double click the row, or in Windows you will click with the right button of the mouse the row and delete that row. It is important that you delete the whole row, and it is ideal that you don't have empty rows, especially if down the road you have email notifications, you integrate a platform called Zapier or Palabra or some of these platforms that send email notifications to users. It is ideal to have your spreadsheet as clean as possible. So as you can see, I like to have my spreadsheets only with the data that we have, no empty columns, no empty rows. So when you are deleting information, you go to your spreadsheet, select the row or rows that you want to delete, and then just delete those rows, and that's it, as simple as that. Now you go back to Glide, hit the reload sheet button, and that information is gone.